Hi everyone. Today we're going to crochet a 2-color bucket hat with a checkerboard pattern. We'll need about half a skein of 2 colors of raffia yarn. I'm using Raffia crochet crush yarn from the Woolcatcher and a 3.5mm crochet hook. We start with a magic ring. With the first color, chain 2. Then make a double crochet. On the second section of the stitch, I switch to the second color, milky. Then I complete the double crochet. Next stitch. I switch to green on the second part of the stitch. We keep alternating colors like this inside the magic ring. In total, we make 14 double crochets in the first round, not counting the initial chain stitches. Make sure to regularly untangle the raffia yarn because it twists easily. At the end of the round, check that you have 14 color sections. Then we join the round with a slip stitch and start the second row. In the second row, colors follow the same order. Above green, we crochet green. Chain 2, then make a double crochet. We also start in creases. In each section, we crochet 2 double crochets. We continue switching colors in the second part of the stitch. Repeat this all the way around. In the third row, the checkerboard pattern starts forming. Colors will shift. Each color goes over the opposite one. We continue increasing and alternating colors in every section. At the end of the row, join with a slip stitch. From the 4th row onward, the pattern repeats. No changes in structure. Just follow the checkerboard color shift and increases. We continue increasing each row. Fifth row, 5 double crochets per section. Sixth row, 6 double crochets per section. Seventh row, 7 double crochets per section. This gradually expands the base of the hat. At the end of the 7th row, the circle is about 18 centimeters in diameter. This forms the crown base of the hat. Then we stop increasing and start building the sides. From rows 8 to 15, we crochet without increases, just 7 double crochets per section. This forms the sides of the bucket hat, and the shape starts folding upward. After that, we begin the brim of the hat. We increase again, 8 double crochets per section. Then 9. Then 10. Always 1 increase per section, alternating colors as before. Then we finish the last rows with single crochet stitches, no increases. This makes the brim firm and structured. And that's it. Your checkerboard crochet bucket hat is ready. I hope yours turns out amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.